Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to use Delta Executor and Grow a Garden. Now let me show you a super cool script for Grow a Garden, the Seed Spawner script. With this script, you can grow your garden like a pro. It's perfect for speeding things up and getting your dream garden. For this video, I'm using Delta Executor for Roblox, but you can use any Roblox executor like Codex, Kernel Fluxus, or your favorite one. So simply copy the script that will be displayed on your screen right now. So here, as you can see, I have this text. Just copy it and now paste it into the executor you are using. So here I have created a new one. Simply I will type here the title of the script. Then here I will add the script. After adding it, click on add script. Then now you can simply click on execute right here. And here you are. It is now working properly. So you can go to seed spawner and add here the seed name. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.